right, and let's go to the line of the middle.
Okay.
Yeah. You will find an orange spot.
Yeah.
You have to slap it to the car.
Slap this. Right.
Yeah. Little boy. You see? There you go. Nice. Okay. So, windows up.
Yep.
So let's go.
Yeah.
We can go.
We can go, yeah.
So, let's keep it slow until we pass the cones.
Right.
When we pass the cones, we will move to the right side.
Yep.
Until the Yokohama sign.
Okay. And move to the right at
Yeah.
the end, no?
When we start the lap on the right, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. As much throttle as you feel comfortable with.
Alright.
Yes. And we point now to the middle of the bridge. And after the compression, we release the throttle.
Okay.
And we'll connect. Okay. Let's keep watching the traffic just in case.
Yep.
Okay. Good. Catch. Yeah, let it do. Stay on the right side. Yeah. Pass. And now we point to the end of the core or the barrier on the left. And let's keep braking. Brake, 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 brake. Open, close. Let's close. Let's close, then connect. And when you finish connecting, to the left side. There you go. There you go. You can put it on the throttle. Okay, don't worry. So let's brake a bit. And close. As soon as you close, open again with throttle. Open with throttle. Nice. There you go. You will see on the right side an orange barrier. Let's go to the right. When you see the orange barrier, brake. Orange barrier, brake. Brake, brake. Harder. And close. Let's close. Open again with throttle. Let's open again with throttle. There you go. Now we will move to the left side. You will see a number 2. That's our turning point. Okay. But before we're going to brake a bit. Okay. So we're going to brake now. A bit. Number 2. Let's close with throttle. We can, if you want. Okay. And we open the trajectory a bit. Watch out, yellow flag. Keep it notified. Okay, right side, and when we are straight, let's brake. Normally this is hard braking, but the speed is okay. And let's close. Close, connect, and with the same radius, we can do these two right-handers with enough throttle. Throttle. There you go. You see it, you feel it, exactly.
Yeah.
Stick it. There you go. Nice. Let's connect. Let's connect and brake a bit. Brake, brake, and connect again. Connect here. Stay a bit on the inside. Close again, and open with throttle. Throttle, there you go. Open, there you go. Nice. Let's go to the left side, is possible.
Yep.
And brake. Brake, brake, brake. Close. No throttle. No throttle. No throttle. Stay close.
Okay.
Now, flat out. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. All the throttle you want here. Open. Even after the crest, still with throttle. Yes, what's up? We move a bit to the right, to the left, sorry.
To the left, okay.
And on the top of the hill, we're going to brake a bit. Okay. Just a bit with this.
So keep throttle on throughout the hill.
Here, and then we brake. And with the same radius, we can do these two right hands with throttle. Stay there.
Yeah, there's a Porsche
close.
GT3, so
Ah, yeah.
right.
Okay, then that's the reason to not follow the line. Left side. This is a fast section. You can put throttle if you want, as much throttle as you feel comfortable with. Going. It's a little just left-hander. Don't worry for this.
Yep.
And after the crest that you can see there,
Yep.
hard braking on the right side. Okay.
Okay. So after the crest.
After the crest, on the right side, straight line, hard braking. Here. After here.
Oh,
Here. Hard braking.
Okay.
Hard. And close with throttle. Close with throttle.
Yeah.
Important here, constant throttle, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, when we are straight again, hard braking again, okay? Here. Hard. Harder. Harder. Okay, now. Good job. Open, let's close. No throttle yet. Now progressive throttle and open again. Open, progressive throttle. Nice, good job. Now let's move to the right side. You will see a white number on the right side. That's our turning point to the left. Okay? So white number. Let's go. And connect. Let's connect here. Yeah. And point the car to the white number.
Yep.
Keep the throttle down if you want.
Yep.
Okay, that's nice. On the right side.
Yep.
Let's brake just a bit.
So
Brake a bit. Brake, and throttle. Do this with throttle. And uphill we're going to brake hard again, okay? Hard braking, hard. Harder, this is not hard. Close, let's close. And brake. Let's brake. Slow zone ahead. Let's close. Close here, close. Okay, connect.
Yep.
And brake. Brake. open and close. Hey, you knew this one, left side. Here, close, close, and connect. Connect with throttle. There you go, nice. You did the homework, nice.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's connect. Watch out with throttle, exactly. Yeah. Let's connect here. You will see a white number on the right side. That's our turning point. But as soon as we are on this left, we're going to brake, okay?
Okay, so
left, brake, brake, white number, and close.
Okay.
Start with throttle, you can open it again.
Yeah.
Okay, and when this curve finishes, you want to brake. Brake, 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 harder, 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 open, close. No throttle yet, close, close, close. Connect. When you finish connecting, left side. Okay, stay here. After the motorbike, hard braking. Okay, hard brake. There you go. Stay open, and let's close. Let's close. Keep close, stay close with throttle now, and open. Nice. Let's go to the right side. The white number that you will see on the right side is our turning point. Tap the brakes, tap, and close. Connect. When you finish connecting, left side. Left side here. Let's brake. Brake, brake, brake. Stay out and close. Close, progressive throttle, progressive. Close, open again. Open again with throttle. Nice, good job. Left side. Good. Let's brake hard. Hard, harder, 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 and close. Close, connect. Point the car to the red barrier. Okay. Brake, open, and close. Close, close, close. Connect. When you finish connecting, left side with throttle. Throttle. There you go. With throttle. After the crest, on the right side, hard braking. Okay.
Okay.
Here. Here, straight, hard braking. Hard, hard, hard. This is proper. This already is being proper. Left side, same radius. Same radius. Throttle. 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 That's beautiful. You did it perfectly. Left side. When the curve finishes, you want to turn. Let's brake. Brake. Close. Open with throttle. Open with throttle. Nice. Really good. Let's go straight. Let's go to the right side. Put the blinkers. There you go. Give a bit more power here. Keep it straight. We will tap the brakes after this. Just tap now. Close. And to the left. Stay on the left. And let's brake. Brake, brake, long braking. Long, long, long. Stay out until you see the house. When you see the house, close. The house is here, close.
Oh.
Yeah, the sign is difficult, so open. There you go, nice. Okay, this section is easy to remember. We go in the middle of the road, in the middle of the left, until we see the toilet.
Okay.
When we pass the toilet, we go to the right side. With all the throttle, you feel comfortable now.
Yeah.
It's the toilet when we pass it to the right.
Okay.
Here, to the right. Okay, progressive, progressive, like constant throttle here. Go, let's go, nice. Do not hesitate on this one, important.
Okay.
Keep the throttle down.
Yep.
Left, down.
Oh, left. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. This is nice, no one is coming, but we have to open just a bit to do this right-hander that is coming. Good. And to the right. Okay, normally this section you have to hard brake, but this is the speed is already okay, so we will just tap the brakes and close, okay?
Okay.
Tap and close. Close and open with throttle. Open again with throttle. Nice, good job, perfect. Right side. Good. Let's move to the left side. And after the crest, brake and close. Brake, close with throttle. There you go. Nice, nice. Left side. When the curve starts, you want to brake. When it finishes, you want to turn. Okay. Brake. Keep braking. And close. No throttle. No throttle. Stay close. Open. Progressive throttle. Nice, 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 nice. Good job. Let's point the car to the letters AMG.
Yep.
Okay. Let's keep going. And let's brake. Let's brake. Point the car to the letters. And all four tires inside. Let's go. Constant speed. Yeah, constant speed. Now gas. Let's go. Good job. Keep the throttle down. When we are uphill on the right side, brake and close. Okay. Here. Brake. Close with throttle. Nice. Open. When the curve starts, you want to brake. When it finishes, you want to turn. Okay. Brake. Turn. Let's go. Connect. When you finish connecting, left side. Side, there you go. Open, open. Nice. Let's close. Sorry, brake, 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 and close. Sorry, mistake, my mistake. Open progressively. There you go. And connect. Left side. Left side here.
Yep.
And let's brake. Let's brake a bit, just a bit. Close. No throttle. No, no, no. And connect. Connect here. Brake a bit. Okay. Stay close. Connect. Let's connect. And throttle until the compression. The compression brake. Hard. Okay. Hard. Up. And close. Close with no throttle. Stay on the right. Good job here. Straight. Let's brake. brake. With the same radius, we do this to left, okay? Brake, brake, and close. Let's go. There you go, same radius. You know, throttle, throttle. There you go, brake. Brake, more, and open. There you go, nice, good job. Left, late apex, this one, okay? So let's brake here, brake, 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 stay open, and close. Close, close. I have it too late, no worries, left side. Let's repeat this again for this left-hander. Go to the right. When we're uphill, hard braking.
Alright.
Hard. Stay open. Close. Close, 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 close more. And connect. When you finish connecting, stay on the right. You will see a white number on the right side. This is our turning point. Okay, to go straight here.
Yep.
Here's the turning point. Let's go straight. There's a jump ahead. We brake before and after, not in the middle, okay?
Okay.
So we brake, release, and brake. Okay, same radius, these two. Go, throttle. Okay, good, good, really nice. We throttle, there you go. Stay straight here.
Yep.
Jump, and now we move to the right side. With straight.
Yep.
Brake a bit, just a bit, and close. Let's close here, stay on the left side. When the curve finishes, you want to turn, brake just a bit,
Yep.
and close. Let's go. Same throttle, keep it right, right, and straight.
Okay.
Really nice, good job.
Thank you.
Right side,
Yep.
keep it to the throttle down,
Yep.
and left. Okay, when we're here straight, hard braking.
Hard braking.
Hard braking, there you go. Hard braking, hard. Keep it open and close. Stay close and finish the lap, the corner close here. There you go. To do this next one. So brake a bit, just a bit, and close. Close, open with throttle. Open with throttle, nice, good job. When the curve finishes, you want to turn. Okay, so let's brake before. Brake and close. Look, close, keep close, open with throttle, nice, really nice, really nice. Left side. When we were uphill, let's brake, okay? Uphill, let's brake. When the curve finishes, let's turn. Brake, more, and close. More. Left side, keep when the white number, when we pass the white number, close. And right side, with throttle, and open again. And this is lap in the north side.
Yeah. Am I turning too much or?
No, it's okay. You need to brake more. That's
Brake
it.
more, alright.
Hard braking or braking means a bit more, not just tapping.
Okay.
Because when you did the tapping, it didn't happen.
Right.
That tapping is already pressing a bit, and braking it means braking. Hard braking is, you know, like just really raping the braking back. You know?
Okay.
But it's nice. It was nice. You definitely did the homework. Yeah, I saw it.
Cool, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, good job. How was it? Good.
It was good. Yeah, good instructions.
Nice.
Let's see how we do.
Good job.